Grace, and today in this video we are going back to lace closures. Okay, now I am doing this because you guys asked, so I went ahead and I took my bundles from Beauty Forever and I made it into a closure wig just so I could show you guys different ways or a more easier way on how to make your closure just look natural, flat, lay flat, and look amazing. Okay, so this was by popular demand. I haven't worn closures in so long because I'm just a frontal person, but not everyone honestly can be about that frontal life. It takes so much work and maintenance, guys, that sometimes you're better off just using a closure. So in this video, I use Believe In by Diva Curl, and I've used this on my curls before. And what I love about this is it really helps to keep your curls tamed. Like, you know how some hairs will swell and it just gets so big and it's just too much hair? Well, the point of the Diva Curl product is to kind of like tame your curls and make them look amazing throughout the entire day. So I kind of go ahead and I use that with water and a product, and this is how it looks with the product by itself with water. So yes. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually take out a little bit of my hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and use some edge control to kind of just scoop this into looking natural. Now, some girls will literally wear their hair like this. Like, do not do that, okay? We're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna spend a lot of time kind of just sculpting our baby hairs or just brushing your hair back. Not everyone likes baby hairs, and that's okay. That is okay. But I'm gonna go ahead and just scoop my hair into place, okay? Just so that it looks natural and falls better. With that, I did take out a little bit of hair from the actual closure and just kind of help to make it, you know, look a little bit more better, because my hair was just doing its own thing that day. I also wanted to show you guys how this wig looked with a middle part, so that's that, but we're gonna go over to a side part. Honestly, guys, I swear this is the last side part that I'm doing. I'm going back to my middle parts. Now I'm gonna work the edge control into the hair mixed in with my edges, okay? Also, I wanted to show you guys how much parting you can do with a closure, so don't shit on them yet, okay? They are still very beneficial. To get my closures to lay flat, I tuck some hair behind my ears and I kind of hold it there for about a good 30 minutes before I take it out from behind my ears, just so that I can frame my face a little bit more and just lay a little bit more flatter. Next, I'm going to go in with my Ion hair oil. And you guys know I use this always on my curly hair because it's so lightweight. Guys, it smells freaking good. Like, it smells amazing. And it makes your hair, like, look more lively and it pops. So this right here, guys, if you can buy 10 of these oils, buy 10 and keep it stacked, because it will look good on your straight hair and it looks great on your curly hair. And it just makes your hair look so much more, honestly, better. So this is my end result right here. This is how this looks. You can wear it like this if you want to. You can see I only have one side behind my ears and the other side is out. Totally up to you. This hair is like a Jerry curl kind of hair. Love it, and it's really, really lightweight. But I also wanted to show you guys that you can also wear it half back and have the other side out. So there's different things you can do with a closure. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, don't feel like closures are so last year, because you can do things with closures, okay? I love them a lot. And the hair from this company was just amazing also. Like, the curls were just so soft and they're cute. All right, so I'm just gonna pin a little piece back, and yeah. I think what really helps to make your closures look natural and nice are really the edges that are left out, to be honest. Because remember, a closure is not from ear to ear. It's only a small patch. So that part is really, really, really important. Also, guys, I want to show you how the hair looks when it's 100% dry. So this is how the hair looks when it's 100% dry. And I think it looks honestly amazing, guys. Like, I love this hair.